Ay, big old freak, big booty, big old tree. I'ma make 'em wait for the.
Hey beautiful people, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to sew your lace frontals by yourself at home. So I've bleached the knots of my lace frontal already, like you can see, and I've dyed the hair into the color I want. Basically this wig I'm making belongs, I've sent it out to my client already, but it belongs to my client. And then yeah, that's basically it. So now I'm going to show you guys how to wear the, more like install the frontal. Is that the right word? More like how to place how to place the frontal on the mannequin head. So just watch. I don't know if I'm going to really explain it well, but if you're a visual learner, that would be fantastic, but I'll try my best. So now you're going to place your frontal just maybe like half an inch or an inch in front of your wig cap and then you're going to pin it down. But basically you must make sure the back of the lace frontal is straight. So I'm just going to allow you guys watch so that I don't confuse you too much, and if I have to explain anything or clarify anything, I will be right back. Bye. Okay, so you can see how there's like an M shape or a W shape, depends on how you see it, but yeah, that's basically okay. So now I'm going to show you how I do it from behind. Once I pin that down, then I go to the back and then I make sure that the end here, the extreme end of the lace frontal, where the lace frontal ends, is pinned down with my T-pins flat to the mannequin head or the lace the wig net or the wig cap or whatever. So now I'm weaving the frontal so that it doesn't get in my way while I'm trying to pin it down and all of that, because the frontal is really short and it was sent to me by my client. She wanted me to remake her wig, so I'm going to put the link to the other video where I loosened out the weave on, or the weave from the old wig. I didn't make the old wig, so she wanted to make her wig into a frontal unit, so I had to go through the process, and I just basically did videos for it. And now I'm just tucking everything away. Can you see I've pinned the middle of the frontal with the T-pin. Now I'm going to straighten out the frontal so that each end of the frontal is super flat. Now while you straighten out this, okay, so now you're just going to try as much as possible to make this end where I'm showing you on the frontal very flat, just the way it is. So you're going to pin it down too with your T-pins. Don't let it be bumpy like that. It shouldn't have a W behind. It's in front that the W or the M-shaped stuff should be, not behind, because that's the only way you could get a really seamless finish to your frontal. Yeah, so basically you pin it down and then you stitch. So yeah, that's basically it. And then I'm just going to allow you guys to watch now. I'll be back. So I have begun stitching the frontal to my wig cap. It's not wig cap, but wig mesh or net or whatever. And then you're just going to continue with this process until you're done towards the other end, and then you would now start stitching the extension itself to the wig cap until you get to the top. So I'm just going to, like I always say, allow you guys watch it so that you see the process. I really hope I am doing a good job with my voiceovers and with my method of explanation. I hope so. Well, anyways, I'm trying to teach. I'm learning. Okay, so I'm going to just allow you guys watch again, and I'll be back. Okay, so when you get to the very top, very close to where you stitched your frontal and where your extension ends, you should still add another weft of your extension or your weave on or your weave, whatever you call it, and just make a flat one. Don't double the weft so that it's not too thick. I mean the extensions, don't double them, just use a single one and then just stitch there across, very close to the frontal, so that it just gives that beautiful finish, that flawless smooth finish and nothing too bumpy towards that end. So so in my next video I'm going to show you guys more. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like, share, comments. And that's basically it. And if you like, give it a thumbs up. Like. Thank you. Bye. Mwah!